What's up, everybody? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com. Thank you so much for checking out this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales funnel using a Clickbank product. This is going to be part one of a two-part series. So, without any further ado, I'm going to jump into the computer and I'm going to show you all the good stuff. Let's get it. Bow! All right, everyone. Guess what? We're in my computer, and thank you so much for sticking with me right now. Just a little housekeeping real quick. Again, my name is Sean, MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com owner and operator. And in this channel, what I do is go over all the different things involving making money online. All right, so I do affiliate marketing, email marketing, uh, internet marketing, CPA, all these different things. And pretty much what I'm doing is beginning my journey in this space. So I'm doing everything that I can to make this work and learning as much as I can. So follow me on this journey as I learn, as I stumble, as I fall. And being that you fall 9 times, you get up 10. You just keep on moving, you keep on learning. You don't fail, you just learn. Either learn or you win. One of the two. There's no failure involved. So, with that being said, if you like some of the content that I have on this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know next time I create a new video. So, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So, um, the video is all about creating a funnel using a Clickbank product. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over here to Clickbank. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is a affiliate marketing network platform, and they offer tons of different products and services that revolve around affiliate marketing. All right, so it could be whatever type of niche that you are in, whether it be finance, whether it be in um, making money online, whether it be fitness, health, cooking, whatever. I am in the making money online marketing, email marketing space. So the category that I would draw to would be e-business and e-marketing, or business and investing, different topics like that. So you want to jump into one of these results based on gravity. And the reason why you go to gravity is because gravity is the measure that they use to let you know if affiliates are successful with a certain product or offer. So the gravity means that number right here. The higher that number, the better. For an offer on Clickbank. So the lower the number, you don't want. So you want to at least be around the 30, 40, gravity score or higher when it comes to a affiliate marketing product on Clickbank. So you know that the product's good, it's converting, people are making money, people are happy with the product as well. That makes a big difference. So let's scroll down and see if we can find a product or service that is worthy of marketing. All right. There was a particular one that I had in mind that I was going to use. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Right here. At the very top, we've got 5-minute profit sites. All right. Let's check out the site because we've got a high gravity score. You make about $36 per sale. All right. On here. So let's go over here to the site. And right here we have a sales page. All right. And in the corner, looks like they have some social proof that they're using. Young lady offering the product. Let's check it out.
Congratulations! You qualified to watch this private video because of your location. What you're about to discover is highly confidential and
so they're engaging you.
Do not share this private video with anyone.
They're
I'm
using
Jessie Sears.
scarcity.
My name's Sam Smith, and I'm a spokesperson for 5
And
Minute
her name's
Profit
Sam.
Sites.
All right, that's great.
I guarantee.
All right, so with all that, let's go ahead and give this offer a shot in promoting. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over back to Clickbank here, and we're going to go to their affiliate page. So this is their affiliate page that we can be able to get marketing tools from. All right, so we're going to go down and say already an affiliate, even though we're not yet. We're going to select that, and we're going to go over here to where it says email promos. Now right here you've got 1 through 20 emails we can be able to send our potential list to. All right, so it talks about profit spitting sites in 5 minutes, whether you're a complete newbie or you have experience of making an online income. So this is going to be what we're going to use in our email sequence in order to get free traffic to our offer. All right, right here we're going to go to banners and images. Now we're going to use some of these images, or at least one of these images, on our landing page. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going over here to static, and looks like, yeah, we're going to use that. I think I already took a picture of this actual image, and we're going to utilize this image for our landing page. So that's perfect. I think I've got it right here. Yep, there she is. So let's jump over to my software package that I use to create my landing pages. I use WordPress on my website, for my website, and WordPress, I believe, gives you the utmost control in creating different sales funnels, your website. It just gives you ultimate control on what you want to do. It's not clunky. It's super fast with the hosting service that I have, SiteGround. They are awesome, and I'm telling you, my website is lightning fast. So, and no problems whatsoever. I'm going to go over here to where it says pages. I'm going to go to add new. From right here, I'm going to write down 5 minute profit sites. 5 minute profit sites funnel. All right. And now we're going to go over here to say publish. So I'm going to go over here to where it says Launch Thrive Architect. This is what I'm going to use to create the actual landing page and the sales funnel. So I'm going to go over here to where it says Thrive Architect, hit the little gear, hit template setup, and choose landing page template. All right, right here, I'm going to select a template. And normally what I use is the elementary. The elementary is the most basic, but the most easy to edit template that I know so far with Thrive Themes. It is awesome. Thrive Themes is the theme builder that I use, the website builder that I use for my website. And I'm telling you, it is phenomenal. All right, so I'm not going to use a logo here. I'm going to use that. What I am going to use, I'm going to get rid of that image right there. Get rid of that. I'm going to put a new image underneath or above that, underneath there. Yeah, I'm going to use the image right there. I'm going to use that image that we had. I already inserted it into my media library in Thrive Themes. I'm going to insert that into there. All right. And then I'm going to shrink that down just a little bit. Shrink it down just a smidgen. I'm going to, position it where it ought to be positioned. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm going to, you know, size that up a little bit. Here we go. Size that up. And I'm going to do some editing on the text right here. So I'm going to go over here to, let's see here. Find out, okay, let's say shocking, let's see, controversial, let's see here. Let's see if we can use from out of this video, from out of this. Let's go over, let's say, let's delete that out first off. Let's say shocking software that converts visitors into buyers almost instantly. All right, that looks great. Let's go over. Let's check our options. There we go. Looks good. Now, that's our primary headline. Let's go over here to our secondary headline. Find out how you can start today under 5 minutes and 17 clicks. So, let's go over here. Let's say, check out the video that shows you all you need to know now. Exclamations. There we go. And we'll enlarge that a little bit here too. See if we can get it all in one line. No. That's all right. And let's just center it, shall we? There we go. So that looks decent. And now maybe we can change the background a little bit, you know, of it. Change the color, background, change the opacity a little bit. Let's give it some red. Already yet, let's give it that right there. Here we go. Give it some opacity. There we are. That looks good. That looks great. Apply that. All right. Let's do a quick save. And then we'll do a quick preview of what it looks like. All right. So we're going to adjust this here. I'm going to adjust that there. Let's go back to the dashboard. All right. So let's change that. Oh, where you at? Where was I? And okay, yeah, let's get out of that. And now let's have the background take up the entire height. There. That looks better. Save that. And this right here, let's move me out the way. There we go. Now, so that's our whole background. Now let's take a look again at how we look. Gotta get rid of that. Gotta get rid of that right there. All right, so go back to dashboard. And get rid of that. Okay, that's good enough. No biggie. All right, we're going to save that. And now we're going to go over and to the next part, to the Thrive Lightbox that I have for that. All right, there is my Lightbox 5-minute profit site funnel. We're going to edit this as well. Now, you're going to see what a Lightbox is in just a second. This Lightbox right here is going to drop down when the visitor hits that button to sign up. So we're going to say just one more step and we will send you the video. And there, and we're going to put in here another content box and put in there paragraph. Yep, there we go. Get rid of that then, fine. All right, let's go here. Just enter your email and you are on your way. All right, and you on and you are on your way. Let's center that and put those up there. There we go. Nothing special, decent. And we're going to attach this to the email service that we're going to use to send the emails to our visitors, because more than likely they're not going to buy on the first try. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Here we go.